It's June 2025, and I expected there to be an easy offline ChatGPT. And whenever I try and get one, they're telling me to type all this crazy stuff in terminals to get a local LLM working, which means getting ChatGPT offline. But thankfully, today we're releasing this amazing software called 192 AI, which basically allows you to download one file, not many files, just one file. And then you can straight away start using this unbelievable tool. Now, let me just show you an example. Let's click new chat here. Write me a 100-word story just to show you how quick this is. And this is running on a CPU alone. It's not even running on a graphics card at all. This computer doesn't have a good graphics card. It's not really using it at all. So as you can see, it's very fast. Another one, please. Writing a 100-word story. Now, this is more than just an AI offline tool. Now, I'm not even on the internet right now. This is working completely offline. And the amazing thing about this is it's completely private. Nobody will know what you've spoken to ChatGPT about. Secondly, whenever you want to reset the chat, you just click reset chat and then you can start again. You can create a system prompt by pressing this button here. You can say, write in an angry tone, for example. So this is basically an offline version of ChatGPT, completely private, so you can have those deep conversations that you'll never have with any human being, and then you can just delete it just like that right after you are ready to delete it. Now, this is not just a software that has chats with that you can just literally have conversations with. This is much more complicated and amazing, basically, because what you can do here is you can actually run a server over here. You click Start API Server, and that allows you to actually use this web address in other apps. So this is more for developers, I agree, but this will allow you to then use a server, like even if you're new to programming or you want to create a simple app, but you don't want to have to pay API fees like to Gemini or to any other API like ChatGPT. You can just use this server. Now, if you notice, it's actually exactly the same as the ChatGPT one. So basically, you just replace kind of the ChatGPT link over here with this link, and then you can actually run all of your apps that you create offline. You can run using this. If I show you an example, if I click run a test, and this is tell me a 10-word story. So here is a 10-word story, and as you can see, the API key over here was actually taken from here. You can create as many API keys as you want. You just click that, and then it creates one right there. And that way you can then test the server with them by clicking apply the API key to the code. And we have the Python test script and the JSON test script for those of you who understand. For those of you who don't understand, don't worry about it. Just know that you can run any GGUF model over here. Now, when you first come to download the model, you will actually automatically have a download button here, which basically downloads in about 5 minutes or even less. Then you click run the model and you're good to go. However, when you first click the download button here on our website, which is the website where you actually can get this software, you will be able to see these instructions over here. Now, in the instructions, we have 3 optional models. You can run the software. It comes included with a one-click fast AI model, fast but less comprehensive. However, if you want something more comprehensive, you can download this model just by pasting it into your browser. Additionally, you can also download this model, which is a very permissive model, which lets you talk about virtually anything. However, I'm not recommending you do that. It's just completely your choice. If you want to, I know men like this a lot for various reasons, but it's completely your choice. I'm not recommending you actually download this. So here it's all in the download button over here when you come to our link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up and bye for now.